Hey guys, Colton here. We're still at that church. It's the Atwell Assembly of God. I just wanted to give you guys a little update of kind of what they're dealing with here as far as the flood and everything. The church here, the basement flooded and they got some mud in their fellowship hall. You can see behind me all the debris that they got out from around the church. And here's the church. They've got some machinery setting up the road and dirt everywhere. We're going to do some more videos on our way back through, showing some of the devastation and everything. We appreciate you guys and all you guys do for us and all you're doing for them. Just keep us in your thoughts and prayers on our journey back to North Carolina, and as far as the many trips that may come, that we get to help some more people. Thank you.